Hi friends, welcome to our channel.
Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will now learn 2 minus 1. 1, 2. Let's write down 2 and we will take off 1. So what we have now? 1. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. Now it's 3 minus 1. So we will get 3 now, and then we'll have to take 1 off. So we'll see what's gonna be the answer. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3. We are taking off 1. Now we have 2. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. 3 minus 2. 1, 2, 3. Let's write down 3. We are going to take off 2. Now we have 1. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. 4 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1. So we are taking off 1. Now we have 1, 2, and 3. So 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 2. So we're taking off 2. Now we have 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 minus 3. We'll take off 3 now, and we have now 1. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. 5 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1. We are going to take off 1. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 equals 4. 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write down 5 minus 2, and we took off 2. And now we have 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 3. We took off 1, 2, 3. Now we have 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 4. We'll have to take off 4 this time. Now we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 4. We are taking off 1, 2, 3, and 4. answer is 1. So 5 minus 4 equals 1. Let's write again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share.